Kenya, having been requested by member states, accepted to lead the coordination of this international mission. Pursuant to this resolution, preparations for the mission commenced, including the authorization procedures, preparation of mission documents, including the concepts of operation, conduct and discipline policy, status operation agreement, and directives on detention, searches, and use of force. There has also been extensive engagement with member states to translate the global solidarity into concrete support for the multi-security support mission. On October 13, 2023, the National Security Council of Kenya and the Cabinet of Kenya approved the deployment of 1,000 police officers to Haiti. Further, on November 16, 2023, the Parliament of Kenya unanimously approved this deployment, both at the National Assembly and at the Senate. Subsequently, a petition was filed in court, and the court determined the need for a reciprocal instrument between Kenya and Haiti to facilitate this deployment. Today, March 1st, 2024, I am pleased to inform that Prime Minister Ariel Henry, here with me, and I have witnessed the signing of this instrument, we have also discussed the next steps to enable the fast tracking of this deployment. And the importance, significance, and urgency of this mission cannot be overstated. It is a mission for humanity. It is a mission in solidarity with our brothers and sisters in Haiti.